When authority stops making sense, there is something strange about power that most people rarely stop to question. Every government claims authority over the people it governs. Laws are written, rules are enforced, decisions are made that affect millions of lives. And we grow up being told that this authority exists because the people allow it. You've probably heard the phrase before, consent of the governed. It sounds simple, it sounds reasonable. Authority exists because the people consent to it. But once you slow down and think about it, something about that idea becomes very interesting. Because consent, by its very nature, is voluntary. Consent cannot be forced. Consent cannot be demanded. And consent can also be withdrawn. So if authority truly comes from the consent of the governed, then a deeper question appears. What happens when people stop consenting? History gives us many different answers. Some governments claim authority comes directly from the people. Others claim authority comes from the state itself. Some rulers in the past even claimed their authority came from God. Different systems offer different explanations, but most modern governments claim the same foundation. They say power ultimately belongs to the people. Yet when you look around, something feels strange. If the people truly hold the power, why does it often feel so distant? Why do decisions seem to come from places that feel far removed from everyday life? Why do people feel as though they are being ruled rather than represented? If authority belongs to the people, then government should exist as a servant. But if authority belongs to the government itself, then the people exist as subjects. Those are two very different systems. And sometimes it feels as if we are told we live in one system while experiencing something closer to the other. We are told the people are powerful, yet many people feel powerless. So something in the structure deserves a closer look. Maybe the real question is not simply who holds authority. Maybe the deeper question is whether people still believe they hold it. Because belief plays a powerful role in how systems function. When people believe they hold authority, they tend to exercise it. But when people believe they have no authority at all, they tend to surrender it. And when authority sits unused long enough, it has a habit of drifting somewhere else. That is how power often consolidates, not always through force, sometimes through quiet surrender. So perhaps the question worth asking is not simply who holds power. Perhaps the real question is this: if authority begins with consent, what happens when people forget they ever had the ability to give it?